really hot. It's like 85 degrees. Wind's blowing pretty good though, anywhere from 20 to 30 miles per hour. I'm tucked back in the corner of this cornfield. There's a green field behind me, a little river bottom down here, where last year I killed one. So come back to right where you killed one last year, right? I was tucked back in the woods. There's a tree stand right over here in the corner. I was tucked back about 20 yards back in the woods there, but I tried to sneak down this wood line right here from the road, get set up. Got this cornfield out here. I've got my Jake quarter strut decoy right there. I'm gonna lay down hen, another little lookout hen right over there, and I'm just gonna tuck back. I've got this big old tree to tuck on, and it's probably about 4 o'clock my time, 3 o'clock here, so it's still a little bit early to get out here, but I'm gonna get tucked in here in case some of these birds start coming out of this bottom. They've been down in these bottoms, stay out of the wind. That's what they do during the day, but they'll start to come back out into these fields and eat in the evening. And I know that right over here is a roost location, and I know they like to come out of that corner right over there, so I'm hoping they come out, they see my Jake, there's a strutter with him, and he don't like what he sees, so that's what we're hoping for. Get it done this first night in Kansas. We'll see. All right.
the creek.
Yep. That crossing's right there. Yeah, they're in the woods. Come on, big boys.
Let me ghost them.
Yeah.
They were just on they were in the creek. Or on the other side when I seen them. They're right there. I can't see shit right there, but
Right there. They're on the other side.
yeah, they'll come right to the decoy. You see them?
Yep. They're just working right through there.
Oh, I see them now. Oh, shoot.
Side.
Yep, they're coming.
Damn, there's a tree.
You got one right here. Go ahead.
Go get him. Go get him. Yeah.